full PC assembly. Thank you, Ma'am Rowena, for trusting PTT IT Solution. This PC build is a well-rounded and solid choice, offering a combination of performance, reliability, and value, making it suitable for gaming. Productivity in everyday computing at its core. The Intel Core i5-12400F processor delivers excellent performance with 6 cores and 12 threads, ensuring smooth multitasking and handling demanding applications with ease. The GBB760M HDR4 motherboard provides a stable and compatible platform, supporting advanced features and ensuring future upgradability. The inclusion of 16 GB of Flexor Thor DDR4 RAM, equipped with a heatsink, ensures efficient and stable performance for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Storage needs are met with the Apacer EST2280p for 256 GB, M.2 piece I and VSD, which offers rapid read and write speeds, ensuring quick boot times, fast file transfers, and smooth application loading. For gaming enthusiasts, the Galax GeForce RTX 3050X one-click OC graphics card featuring 6 GB of GDDR6 VRAM provides excellent 1080p gaming performance with support. The modern technologies like ray tracing and DLSS. This allows for enhanced visual quality and fluid frame rates in a variety of popular titles. Overall, this carefully selected configuration provides an excellent balance of performance, aesthetics, and cost-effectiveness. It is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and powerful PC that can handle a wide range of tasks while maintaining the flexibility to upgrade as needed in the future. Full PC assembly is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your full PC assembly to follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.